Hello and welcome. It is a known issue that Simple Syllabus is sensitive to formatting when copying and pasting. To reduce those issues, here is what we know. 1. You want to clear formatting after pasting into Simple Syllabus. And 2. It is better to copy from actual software such as Word than it is to copy from online, especially with tables. Although copying tables from Google Docs was tested and works fine. I'll give a demonstration of both issues. To clear formatting, I'll copy over some information from a syllabus that I have. Control or Command C to copy, then Control or Command V to paste into Simple Syllabus. Click the A with the slash over it to clear formatting. Click the paragraph icon to format your headings. You'll notice that you only have options for headings 3 and 4. That is because headings 1 and 2 are already used within Simple Syllabus. Heading 1 most likely being the title, and heading 2 are all the section titles. After formatting your headings and paragraph text, you can change the size and color if needed and it will stay formatted. Alright, now to copy over tables. Again, copy tables from Microsoft Word, not the online version, or you can copy from Google Docs. In Word, highlight your table, click Control or Command C to copy, then Control or Command V to paste. You'll notice that the accessibility checker now has two issues. One is to give a header row because it did not recognize that I had one. I'll click that, then I'll have to retype my information and then delete the original row. The second is to give it a caption, which is just giving it a descriptive title. So you can actually avoid the missing header row issue. Back in Word, if you click your table, then go to Table Design, it shows that the header row and first column are enabled. That means that Microsoft Word acknowledges the table having a header row, but it is not recognized in Simple Syllabus. Instead, we'll go to the Table Layout tab, highlight the first row, then click Repeat Header Rows. You'll know that it's enabled for that row because the Repeat Header Rows icon remains highlighted. Now, copy and paste the table into Simple Syllabus. The only accessibility issue is to add a caption. In Google Docs, you can avoid the header row issue in Simple Syllabus by highlighting the first row, go to Format, Table, click Pin Header up to this row. Or you can go to Format, Table, Table Settings, then click Rows. There you'll find the same option. Highlight your table, click Control or Command C to copy, then Control or Command V to paste. Again, the only accessibility issue is to add a caption. And that is how to fix formatting in Simple Syllabus.
Whenever you need help, you can email us, the digital learning team, at artsci-dl@tamu.edu. If you would like to stay up to date with what we offer, you can subscribe to our monthly newsletter. Links will be down below.